Pearson MyMathLab courses are designed to help your students improve their performance in the course. Data from user studies suggests that when MyMathLab is required and integrated effectively into a course, students on average spend more time doing homework and can get help when they need it. Each course features thousands of assignable exercises that correspond to those in the textbook. Most of these exercises are algorithmic, so each student will end up working different problems that are equivalent in both difficulty level and subject matter. Do your students struggle because of gaps in prerequisite skills? Or do they struggle with motivation? MyMathLab has tools to help these students too. Here is an example of an exercise as a student would see it. The menu at the top allows students to navigate to different exercises within the assignment. Here is the statement of the exercise, and down here, the area in which students enter the answer that they've worked out. Notice that the math palette on the bottom here allows students to enter the answer exactly as they want it to appear. No knowledge of syntax is required. After typing their answer, students can check their work. Notice that the feedback that students receive is specific to the problem that they're working on. If students need help, they can click on the help buttons that appear up here on the right of the problem. You as the instructor control which of these help features students have access to. The button labeled Help Me Solve This opens a new window. Here students walk through the problem a step at a time. Many steps require students to provide answers along the way. This process mirrors the one that you might use if a student came to your office and asked for help. When students complete the tutorial problem, MyMathLab automatically generates a new iteration of the homework problem that they were working on. Students then solve this newly generated exercise in order to get credit for their answer. MyMathLab uses Pearson's proprietary answer checking algorithms. The overriding goal in employing these algorithms is to accept any answer as correct that you as an instructor would reasonably accept. For instance, in this particular exercise, MyMathLab recognizes an expression that is equivalent to the answer expressed in simplest form. Visualizing key ideas can be difficult for students. MyMathLab for Applied Calculus and Finite Math has interactive figures with assessment to support key concepts in the course. Students manipulate and explore interactive figures and then are held accountable for their understanding with assessment questions. And we've made it easy for you to create the right assignments for your students. All exercises within MyMathLab are fully editable, including their algorithms. You can start with pre-built assignments or start from scratch. Application exercises are clearly labeled, and you can even incorporate exercises from other Pearson texts, not just the one you're using for the course. MyMathLab features a robust gradebook that can provide you with information to help you teach the course more effectively. For instance, you can easily identify homework exercises that students struggled with, allowing you to target review to areas that students are finding the most challenging. The reporting dashboard presents data in a clear, visual style. Data on student performance by assessment, as well as students' progression in the course overall, allows you to track students' understanding and intervene when necessary to lend a helping hand. If your students are not mathematically ready to take your course, use an integrated review course to address gaps in prerequisite skills. Integrated review courses allow you to keep your course at the level and pace you want by individualizing the remediation process outside of class. Integrated review courses include brief diagnostic quizzes coupled with personalized homework, which provide personalized assignments on objectives where students did not demonstrate mastery. With this functionality, MyMathLab provides a manageable way for you to address the wide variety of backgrounds that students bring to the course. So why have so many schools decided to require MyMathLab for Applied Calculus and Finite Mathematics? The bottom line is that it helps more students pass the courses, especially those students who are most likely to withdraw, drop, or fail. Students get help with prerequisite skills and tutorial support right while they are doing their homework. To learn more about MyMathLab or to read the efficacy research, please go to the website shown here. Thank you.